Well, welcome to my Max Tech series episode 14, and in this video we will learn about advanced filtering and infinite scroll in homepage. It's also related with ReactJs and NodeJs, and it's really interesting thing. Okay, let's start it. To get started, we just need to do in a homepage. Okay, we started right here. And then in the home page, excuse me. In the home page, we need to show the post and the post title, something like this. Okay, let me get the front end code from my prepare branch, which is I think React. Okay, my prepare branch is in home page. I already prepared everything. Okay, in the view page and the home page detail design. Okay, just copy paste this design. It's quite simple. It's just a front end. Okay, you can paste in this. I think this no longer needed, and then we can this is it's okay. Let's check our home page. Is yes, right here. This is our home page. Excuse me, I have a cough. Okay, this data is need to. This data is all the posts that all users uploaded. Okay, let's change this data to the dynamic. It's really easy. You know, it's just API. In homepage, and right here we can get another API, which means API get post. I think. Then let's check our routes. Post. All the post route is right here. Post. It's really simple. No API is no need. It's just declare in actual API. Okay, then this is what we need. And let's check our data can get or not in the network. Of course, this our data. It's need to show it right here. And then let's set state. Post is crash.data like this. Okay, and the state is should be declared in right here. State post empty array, and then we need to declare this like this, and this is equals this. Okay, that's why we can use this in everywhere. This says state post rest.data. Okay, and then this post need to show in need to be loop this. Okay. Okay, we need to show post dynamically, so we just need to loop this. All right. Yes, of course. So we can get, and then we just need to go to the function, which is React array, and this let me say tab rows. Okay, and then in tab rows it's right here. Tab rows function is looping the array and showing this. Okay, but I think this is need to separate with another component is better way in React. Okay, whatever. we just need to loop this first, like we have done in post. Just return, loop and return a new component. So right here, return this is the post, that's the same, and both array and return the components. So we just return this might be list. Yes, this might be the post list. Okay, this post list containing the post. Yes, post, and then key is I, and then okay, that's all we need, and we can get, I think, alright, right here. Okay, I said something wrong. Okay, that's all, and then we need to create a new component which is called post list. That's the better way of React. Separate component can perform more faster. Okay, whatever the class post list extends component. This is a kind of class, and it contains the prop constructor, props and super props, and then just render function, and render is like this, and just return. It's of course like this, just return. Oh, I think something wrong. Because this is the function and just return, and sorry, should be copied the host, the full, and then paste it there. Okay, let's see what happened. Yes, this is the kind of something might wrong. On the post list return. Class post list. Just close this like this post, and tab rows. Something might wrong. What am I wrong? Class name, class name, and component from the render. Call this function, rather return it. I think. Okay, but I think we need to add a new if a statement. State of post. Okay. Right now. The post is actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a 5 post should be right here. But what happened? Render return, and so render return post list post list. Okay, let me check here. Okay, I think because of this, I left this. Of course, and right now, and then we need to change this class to class name. Where is the class? Class. Okay, right here. Class equal. And I deleted. Class equal. We need to change this to class name. This should be class name. Okay, then only this error. Use the double value as well. Maybe just handle it. Okay, and then we need to show the real data. The real data is that we pass from the parents, and can get like this dot prop dot post dot title, because this post is the pass from the parents. Yes, right here this post, and this post reach to right here and can get as a parent props dot post title. Okay, next thing we need to do is this must be the props dot post dot description, and this also this should be a link, but whatever. Okay, just do this first. Okay, now we are right now. Okay, just let's add it. Let's add some filter right here. Okay, to add filter, yes, we can step on it. So let's do this on change function. Change radical to this dot. Change keyword, and the change keyword is right here. And substrate. Keyword is this is count from the event, and e dot package dot name, I think. So this keyword must be initialized in here. Keyword. Okay, and then we can get, after change keyword, we need to also call the function get data. This is needed inside the function, which calls get post, and then we need to call it right here, get post, and we can also call from right here, get post. In the get post, we can get we can get array, which is a filter array. Filter is come from the first filter is keyword. The keyword is this dot state dot keyword that we set in right here. Okay, and then this filter need to add in right here. But this is the kind of get function, so we need to use QS. I need QS. Import QS from QS, which is kind of query string. I forgot QS way. Where's QS way? I use in the register page. I think so. In the register QS, yes, of course, and then QS does 25 object. Okay, we can use like this. Okay, after announcing QS, and we can use it right here. Cat post, yes, of course. QS does string filter. Okay, let's check what happened. Our codes. Okay. Cat is no longer QS. And right here, why not? This cat, and then yes, we can go into right here, but QS is no filter. Why not? Because of this, and need to go with the plus. Okay, yes, the keyword is right here, and then we can set. After set, keyword is not right here. I think later on in right here. Okay, it should be focus out. Focus out, I think. Focus on blur. Yes, on blur, I think that I use it. Yes, of course, on blur. We can use on blur. It's something like on focus out. In focus out, call this function, and then call cat post. In this cat post, filter. Okay, let's check it right out. The user is yes, but why the response? Why not? The keyword is not available because I think filter is too acid something. Something. Let's console the log. This the stage.keyword. Okay, in console the log. Console the log is now. That's why. Okay, I think this state is not working. Why not working? This might be the E is something wrong. And let's check it right here. Okay, I think something wrong in it. Set state on, yes, because of failure. That's why. This might be failure. Okay. It should be right. It should be right now. Yes. Oh, why? Settings wrong? Still wrong. The title don't fail. Password change. Oh, why this? I think it only works in your own change. Yes, of course it's working. need to type get a value and this set state keyword. Okay, let's show. This is the state of keyword. Oh, why not? The state set state is something wrong. Set state. I think what? Okay, please let me find the error. Okay, the answer is right here. We need to wrap with this set time of function because of the changing state is not a fact, and we need to wait this state change and set time always. I wait 1 second. Okay, and then go to the get post, and in the get post, yes, of course, it's also working, and this also working. Okay, let's check it out, and then in the network, yes, of course, the data is right here. Okay, finished. And then what we need to do, I think this, I just take this as like might be, I think this should be something like tag, and choose other is forget it. We only, I think we should do only tags. Okay, tags. Let's do tag also. In the post, okay. We need to add another text. Okay, let's forget it. Choose order. Okay, go ahead to tag select. Tag select is the kind of creative select, and we can use in create post. We can copy from the create post, and then we can import this, and we need to use like this creative select. Yes, of course. Let's copy this and then add in this. The option is something like alt text. This alt text is we need to get text first in a component get mount. So we can add it right here. Let me separate the function. Get text. This get text is getting the text, and then this text select change also need. After text select change, we need to set state. Set state to set function, and okay, let's announce this state text. Yes, text is a kind of array. And then after get post, we need to also, I think we need to also get post this. After text select change, we need to get post. Get post, okay, and then right here, get post. We just console fast. Text. Okay. Because after change, set state text. Okay. So we need to add also. I think alt text. Alt text also need to announce This is the alt text, this is the selected text. What happened this might be the class is little oh what I'm doing in my prepare, I just used it. Yes, of course we need this. I think we better use select instead of create here because we need to create in that case. So just use select, and this is kind of clear select and whatever. Oh, yes, and then creative is changed to select. Sorry, select, and this need to be there inside of div. And then it might be true. Okay, this technology is also text. Didn't look final, but not really good yet. I think need to add some BR. Oh, BI is like this. Okay, oh, really good now. Very good. And then, yes, of course, the text is also a BI right here. Sorry. And then we can use this all text in examples. Okay, this state.text is should be in the query string. So let's loop this array, and we only need ID, text ID only need. So I think text dot map function t and this loop and right here, and then return t dot value, only value return, and this need to add true. Select the text IDs. Select text IDs. This text right here, and then just console log this query string. Okay, I think it should be fine. Put this out. Console log is only keyword A, and then we need to add. Yes, we are right now. Keyword A and text is ID, something like the ID. Text is not really right now. Yes, of course. Text is should be the ID, and then it must be with comma. But whatever. Let's check. Okay, I think we better this alert. Such as some key, and then PHP, and then JavaScript. Okay, the network is like this. Open a new tab. Keyword is key, and text. It should be like text equal something like this. It's little notes. We can use query string in that case. Query string only used in the keyword, and text should be used a custom string. Wait, text should be, I think. Okay, I think we need to implode this array, and then we can add it right here. What might be implode in JavaScript? I already doing this. I remember just now. Okay, the implode is something like in the compose. This to stream. Yes, array change to the stream. So this array need to change to the stream. I think it should be right. Okay, let's check what happened. Text is only one. Why only one? We just left 2. Oh, now it is 2. Okay, I think it's great. Hope it works. Okay, and then we need to add it in a server. Okay, let's go to the server. The server, we need to change in the post controller and the get post. We need to add another function, get all post. Okay, and right here, if query.keyword contain, we need to filter dot keyword is. Oh, there is a little tricky in the like in Node module, but I'm already preparing it, and let's check it out. What I prepared it in feature text server and controllers, post controller, get all post method, and then the keyword is something like this. This is a kind of like, okay. Oh, we need to get. Oh, sorry, this is the front end. This is the back end. And we new IGEXP is something like this is the same like in SUN. Well, keyword equal sense. It's the same like this. I hope you understand. It's really easy. Okay, and then this filter, just add a keyword. Okay, another thing I need to do is query dot text. If the text contain what I prepare, I already do. How is this? If the query dot text, what I do is constant text array, and I separate this, and then add to the filter.text, and then this in is something like where ID in, like this. Okay, so we can add. I can reference from this. Oh, sorry, this is front end. This is just okay. I'm also add reference links in right here, and also right, and also right here, because we need to do more steps. There's not only the keyword is not enough, and then oh sorry, what I copy is just missing. Copy this and paste it right here. Okay, this is the kind of preparing the keywords, and then this keyword is need to be the title. This keyword or description is keyword like this. That's why we just use $50, and then the tag is need to something like where the text in the SUN we can do where text ID in something like 1, 2, 3. It's the same with this. We can use. Okay, I hope it works. What we need to do more? Of course, we enough. Let's run it out. That's our alt text, and then search with ABC. No, it's we need to node server again. Node server JS again. Okay, I hope it works now. Okay, this all data search with ABC. Need ABC data. Oh yes, of course. ABC only comes out. Okay, whatever. In a search with a text. Text is little cancelled because not really. This can be reliable. Okay, so we can just add the text in right here, and then our result can be text like this. And then what I need to do is below the title we can just add simply text, something like the text data must be I think bootstrap batch is something like that used for the text. Bootstrap, yes, of course, we need to use this. Let's really just use info. Yes, car is pretty enough. And then the info is something like the text. Okay, let's do with only design first. PHP JavaScript like this. Okay, that's really nice and really pretty. Okay, let's do this here, and then it should go through the function this show text, and then we can need to add crop.post.text. Well, no need. You can also get it in a function. Show text function is like this, and then right here we need to get loop. We need to loop post.text. Loop is kind of map function, and then we can test the T and only return. Of course, we need to return this. This must be T dot. I think T dot label. Yes, of course T dot label. I need to return also. I think it should be working. Why not? It's working now. Maybe it's something wrong, I think. Maybe it's something wrong. I need to add T. Let's console the log T. And the T is just ID. So it's really, I think the no account from a post is response text array. The text array only return ID. So it need to also to use pops. Okay, whatever. Let's let's edit the code. Can all post populate order and also need to populate text. I hope it works. We need to brand again with no star. And then we're gonna do it again. Let's just console. Yes, of course, we can get title now. And then this must be the title. Yes, of course. We can check now. Okay, we can check ABC. Of course, ABC only. Filter. Yes. We can check with the ABC tag. After changing, it's not affect. Let's check why not affect. After changing, text selection. I think we need to also need add and also need some timeout. I think just like this. Okay, and then get text selection. Let's add set timeout, and timeout is usually just give like 500 is okay. It's enough. Yeah, it's also 500. Okay, let's check that. Yes, of course, working. And check with ABC. Of course, it's working now. Okay, let's check also ABC and JavaScript. ABC and JavaScript. Yes, of course. Or reset is always right. And then PO. Yes, POS, POST, post. Okay, that's all. We are done now. All the feature, the amazing feature. So we need only pagination. I hope to use something like infinite scroll. Okay, let's do infinite scroll in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.